Hello everyone, welcome to hashtag vlog. Finally, I'm out of the 14-day home quarantine and I tried to extend for few more days just to understand myself how long I can stay inside the house, but I could not cross more than 3 weeks. So I thought the best place to relax is park. Of course, home would be the first option. Apart from that, when your soul and eyes are searching for something else, after seeing only the white walls for 3 weeks continuously. And here you see we are going to feed the squirrel with some fresh fruits and nuts. They love them. As we walk forward, the crowd is much less compared to normal, and we all know what's the reason. So here is a lake in the middle of the park. So here we can see so many varieties of birds, swan, gooses, ducks. So they're all, searching for food. There are people who feed them with food regularly, and home food is definitely not allowed. So they have special bird foods that's available at the counter. You can feed them with those. So the speed of the video is increased because I didn't want to cut short any of those I captured. So definitely these ducks are not swimming at this speed. And here you see this fan is trying to approach me for food, but unfortunately I did not carry any. So this is how crowded the lake is usually with the birds. After some bird watching, as we move forward, the crowd is much less compared to normal, and we see people here and there doing their regular exercises like walking, cycling and jogging. So this is just one half of the park. The other half of the park has a lavender garden and a pond which is home to many birds, especially swans. There we can see many varieties of swans. This side of the park run route is greenery, and the other side is a residential community. So here you see these people must be really lucky ones to have this huge park so close to their house. This entire park is 130 acres and rated 1 in 10 best parks in Britain. Here we see a swing where kids are playing, and also this is the place where they practice skating. It's a long road, so they practice skating here, and this is an open ground where they usually play cricket in summers, or probably ladies sit and relax with kids, or picnic is also good option. And this is the kids play area where we will be moving towards. This is a badminton court where we can register and pre-book the slots, and this is a kids play area where they have various activities, swings, slides and climbing ropes. As you see, it's getting a bit darker as we are close approaching the exit. So this is the other side of the lake which we saw in the beginning of the video. I'll make sure to cover up other half of the park in upcoming videos. As we walk towards the exit, we also get to view the main road where the buses and cars are seen. Next, let's do some food shopping. This is the supermarket which we usually shop. So I'm just giving a glimpse of what are the things available, as I'm not covering the entire aisle. I'm just taking you through few. And this one is going to definitely make you drop your jaws. If not women, men at least. People say women spend unnecessarily on cosmetic or groceries or whatever they see, but what about men? So do you think this is all worth it? Spending so much? Have a look. And I'm making a point, do not judge me. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I wanted to witness some colors, and that's the reason I'm here at this particular aisle to see so many different colors in one particular place. Thanks for watching #vlog. For many such videos, subscribe and keep supporting. Love to you all.